Hi students, today we are going to talk about adverb clauses. So what is an adverb clause? Adverb clause functions to describe why, how, when or conditions under which something happens. Okay, so adverb clauses are dependent clauses that function as adverb. Since they are dependent clauses, they must have a subordinating conjunction, and here I have listed few conjunctions: while, after, if, since, when, because, although, until, till, as soon as, whenever, if, whether or not. Now all these are the subordinating conjunctions. Now adverb clauses can be placed at the beginning, middle or end of the sentence. But here we have to keep one rule in the mind when I'll explain to you the examples and different kinds of adverb clauses. So I'll let you know what are the different rules that you have to keep in mind while placing the adverb clauses. Okay. So there are different types of adverb clauses. The first one is adverb clause of place, and it is very easy to identify because it answers the question where. Now if you look at this example, wherever you go he will follow you. Now where he will follow you, wherever you go. It answers the question from the main clause where he'll follow you wherever you go. Now wherever you go, this is an adverb clause of place, and here if you see, it is separated with a comma. And if you look at this second example, she found the book where she had kept it. Now where she found the book, where she had kept it. Now here I haven't added up any comma. Hopefully you understand the purpose. When your sentence starts with the adverb clause, or it is starting with the subordinating clause. Now this adverb clause is the subordinating clause. So when it is the starter of the sentence or the beginner of the sentence, you have to separate it from the main clause by inserting a comma. But if your sentence starts with the main clause, she found the book, where she found the book, where she had kept it. Now this is an adverb clause, and we have not separated it with the comma because our main clause is starting the sentence. Now both these encircled clauses are adverb clauses of place, and they answer the question where. Our second type of adverb clause is adverb clause of time, and it answers the question when. Now see, after the chores are done, we'll eat some ice cream. When will we eat some ice cream? After the chores are done. Now this is an adverb clause of time because it answers the question when. She has to leave when the clock strikes midnight. When she has to leave? When the clock strikes midnight. Now it answers the question when she has to leave when the clock strikes midnight. So this is an adverb clause of time. And the same rule, see, if the sentence starts with the subordinating clause, you have to separate it with comma from the main clause. But if your sentence starts with the main clause, you don't need to put in a separator or the comma. Our third clause is adverb clause of cause, and it answers the question why. She passed the test because she worked hard. Why she passed the test? Because she worked hard. Since he is sick, he can't attend the class. Why he can't attend the class? Since he is sick. Reason. Okay. And here also this is the reason. Our next clause is adverb clause of purpose. Now it again answers the question why, but there is a slight difference. He ate vegetables in order that he could stay healthy. Okay, he could stay healthy. Why he ate vegetables? Now this is the purpose. This is not the reason. Purpose is slight different from the reason. He ate vegetables in order that he could stay healthy. In order that he could stay healthy, this is our subordinate clause, and it is an adverb clause of purpose. Now the second sentence, subordinate clause is starting the sentence so that he would not ruin the carpet. He took off his shoes. Why did he took off his shoes? So that he could not ruin the carpet, an adverb clause of purpose. Our next type is adverb clause of condition, and it answers the question how. And conditional clauses are very easy to identify because usually they start with if or unless. If you save money, what would be the result? You can buy a new game. Now, what is the condition? How you can buy a new game? If you save some money. So, you can buy a new game. This is the result. And what is the condition? If you save money, you will be late for school unless you hurry. So, how can you avoid being late from school? Unless you hurry. So, this is an adverb clause of condition, and they can you can add up the conjunction if or unless before the adverb clause of condition. Our last clause is adverb clause of concession. Now, adverb clause of concession, it also answers the question how, but in a roundabout way. And another definition that you can give, or you can understand whether it is an adverb clause of concession, it talk about two opposite ideas or two opposite conditions. Even though you are 13, you can't go to the movie, or you can't go to that movie. Now see, even though this first part is opposing the second part, even though you are 13, you can't go to that movie. So this is an adverb clause of concession. In a roundabout way, you are talking about two opposite conditions. Although you did your best, you could not win the match. Though you worked hard, but still you were not the winner of the match. Again, two opposite condition. And even though, although, or though, you can add up in these clauses. So this was all about adverb clauses. Hopefully you understand it. Thank you.